Welcome. In front of me is an Honor 200 Smart, and today I will show you how you can put this device into recovery mode. So, to get started, you will want to hold your power button and ignore Gemini if it shows up. Select power off. There we go. And when the device turns off, you want to hold your power button and volume up at the same time. When you see the logo, let go of the power button, keep holding volume up. And there we go, there is our recovery mode. Now in here we only have technically one option, which is, actually no, we have more than one. We have clear data, which consists of wipe cache partition and factory reset, have update mode, and we can also access safe mode through here. This is the only way you can actually boot the device into safe mode. And restart just leaves this mode and brings us back to Android. So I'm gonna click on that and wait for the device to boot back up. And as you can see, we're now back in Android. So, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.